Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The parish of St. Elizabeth is often dubbed as the breadbasket of Jamaica, with its high fertility. Apart from this, one of the major talking points of this beautiful parish is its breathtaking coast. This property highlights just that. Located at Flagaman, Southfield, St. Elizabeth, and sits on almost an acre of land, is this beautiful home, which is full of yard space and consists of 5 bedrooms with 4 bathrooms. The property, therefore, echoes building potential for several facilities like a gazebo or fireplace, outdoor bar, etc. Provision is also made for a rooftop terrace, providing 360 view of Treasure Beach, the sea, and of the mountains. Call the agent now. Book a viewing and secure your future today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.